Hello guys, how you all? I've been hearing from couple of days that there are layoffs and due to this AI came into the picture, many of the software employees losing their jobs and all. So I'm just hearing a lot of buzz around the software industry and all. Yes, that will be there every year, not only this year. Okay, so there are some companies which might give the report to the news channels, and some companies which might not give report to the news channels. But though definitely there will be layoffs in every company every year. Okay, but one thing is that yes, that is right, the AI is evolving like anything. It doesn't mean that we lose complete jobs basically. So AI, what it does is it give you the code, any language that you ask for. If you ask ChatGPT, it will give you the Java code, PHP code. I mean, whatever the code that required, it will give. Okay, but how do you use that code? How do you actually retrofit that code into your project is matters, right? So more than coding related jobs, I would prefer, or I would recommend to go with the tools that have the low code and much configurations, which cannot be done by the ChatGPT or any other AI technologies or AI tools, right? So that way you can secure your job, obviously. And another thing is that you have to start rebuilding yourself and trying to understand or trying to adapt the new technologies, whatever the new technologies that are evolving in the market right now. It might be AI. So if at all, if you are thinking that you're losing job on due to the AI, you better create a tool using the AI itself, right? So you try understanding the market best practices, you try understanding the market problems, and like I said, you have to only look after the tools that have much configurations than the code. It can be a PHP code, and it can be any other code that you write, typically Java code, because I've seen lot of times, even I use personally many times, that if I ask Java code, ChatGPT will give whatever the code that I require. I just need to give the input, like what sort of code I need, basically, right? So yeah, so if you wanted to secure your job, better you go with the skills. You try leveraging your skills on administration part, and then configuration related tools, and then where you can actually explore the AI related things. You try adapting that AI related technologies, and you have to better stop getting into the codes and all that. Yeah, so that's my suggestion. And layoffs will be there, do not worry about much. The only thing is that you have to keep rebuild yourself, and you have to adopt the market technologies and market strategies, and how you actually can secure, what best you can do where you are in currently. So you have to expand your capabilities, you have to expand your the deliverables beyond what you actually can do. Then you can secure your job simply. So that's my suggestion. Thank you so much.